Hello guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you could change the Windows updates active hours so that it doesn't bother you and it doesn't stop you from working. So let's say you start working from 7 a.m. and you stop working at 6 p.m. You can set up Windows to perform updates, download and install after the time of your work. To do that, press the Windows sign key on your keyboard or just click on it on your monitor and type settings. You can either double click on the left one or just click on the right one and it should open the Windows settings. The next step, click on update and security. And from here, we'll select the next option. Here we have change active hours. And here it says automatically adjust active hours for this device based on activity. You can select this one and this will be done automatically. Or you can just select current active hours and click change. From here, you select the start time by clicking and you can choose AM or PM, and here you can change the hours. I will select from 9 and I will click on this sign to validate. The next one, I will click and select 6 p.m. and I click validate. Now I click save and now my options has been saved and Windows will not perform updates before that time. It will only perform updates after that time, which means after 6 p.m. for me. You can always adjust it based on your need. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you find it helpful, you can always press like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest video. If you are in need of help or assistance, you can always leave us a comment or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.